NFTs have the most growth left if this bull market continues. You see the thumbnail for this video, 100x NFTs? That is not a clickbait image. That is reality. There are many people that are getting 100x's in the NFT space. And for those of you that have been watching my videos over the last few months or have been here over the last few months, you know that this is true. Actually, some of you may even experienced these 100x's in NFTs yourself. But there are risks with NFTs. But when it comes to NFTs, I believe that the risk to reward ratio is much better than it is for altcoins. Now forget 100x's. Let's just talk about a 10x or maybe even a 5x. You can get that with altcoins, but the risk to reward ratio is not as great as it is when it comes to NFTs. Right now, there is money to be made with NFTs. However, there are risks. Also, we are definitely in a bubble right now. It seems that everything is going up. But we'll come back to this later on in the video. We'll address this topic of the bubble and also the risk associated with NFTs. But what I really want to focus on right now is that NFTs are unique in that there is new money coming in. Money from people who may have never invested in crypto before. Even money from people who may have never invested in anything before, because NFTs apply to the masses. We're talking about NFTs, we're talking about art. It is much more relatable. We're speaking about gaming, a huge industry. We are speaking about music, a huge industry. We always thought that Bitcoin would bring mass adoption, but that is not the case. NFTs will bring mass adoption, and the masses follow what is being influenced by celebrities and athletes. I know you don't want that to be true, or maybe you don't like the sound of that, but that's how it was 50 years ago, 30 years ago, and today. People follow celebrities and athletes, and they influence the culture, and NFTs are culture. And if we look at Shaquille O'Neal, an NBA legend, he changed his Twitter profile picture to a Creatures World NFT. After he did this, the price for these NFTs skyrocketed. And if we look at his wallet on OpenSea, Man of Dominance, we can see that he has 2 of these Creature World NFTs, and he also has a Mutant Ape Yacht Club NFT. Shaq is now part of the Bored Ape Yacht Club community. And it's super interesting to see what's going on. Everything has been flipped. It used to be, I guess it still is, that athletes were paid to represent a brand. But now with NFTs, athletes are actually paying with their own money to join a brand or join a community. We also saw that Steph Curry, a very popular NBA player, changed his Twitter profile picture to a Bored Ape. He is now part of the community. And like I said, whether we like it or not, we follow celebrities, we follow athletes. They influence the culture. And when we speak about influencers, we cannot forget about Addison Rae. She is one of the most popular TikTokers in the world. And the Rae family, that's Addison Rae's family, sent out a tweet stating, just starting our NFT collection. What should we have in our wallet? And it got a response from Gary Vee. It also got a response from OpenSea. This is very big because Addison Rae is very influential. She has the 3rd most TikTok followers, making her one of the most followed people in the entire world, right? People will follow. I know that this pains some of you listening to know that there's these young women or, some athletes that can have this influence on the world, but this is how it's always been, and this is how it will continue. And speaking of TikTok, TikTok has stated that they decided to partner with select creators, celebrities, and online entities like Lil Nas X, Bella Porsche, and Grimes to release a collection of non-fungible tokens. NFTs are coming to social media. And we all know that argument. Well, you can just take an NFT, copy it, and make your profile picture. Well, that will not always be the case because right now, Twitter is stating that they are going to enable NFT verification so that if you actually put an NFT as your profile picture on Twitter, you will be able to verify that you actually own that NFT. And here is a quick video test of how it will look on Twitter. So you will go to Twitter, you will connect your wallet or your MetaMask wallet, and then after that, you will select your NFT. And after selecting it and it's verified, this is what it will look like. There will be, for example, an Ethereum logo on the picture. I guess this will work the same way out in the future, right? With Cardano and Solana NFTs as well. But this is how you will know whether someone has the real NFT. And this is only the beginning, guys. It is so early. If you know about NFTs right now, you are lucky. Eventually, NFTs will take over social media, especially as we move into this digital world, into the metaverse. And people will want to own NFTs for a few different reasons. Some people will just genuinely want to be part of a community or something bigger. Also, people will own NFTs as a status symbol, especially something like CryptoPunks. Owning a CryptoPunk is not that much different than owning a Lamborghini or a nice watch or certain types of clothes, right? You are showing people your wealth or your status. However, it's very limited to the people that you see in person. But when it comes to these NFTs, everyone can see it. It is online. It is across the world. NFTs will only continue. But like I said earlier in the video, there are risks. We're definitely in a bubble. A lot of NFTs will eventually crash. They will go to zero or near zero. You won't be able to sell them, but there will be NFTs that remain. But at this very moment, yes, we're in a bubble and there is money to be made. And what I love about NFTs is because there is room for so much growth, I don't have to put my entire portfolio into NFTs, right? I don't have to put 90% of my portfolio, 50 or even 30%. I can put in 5% or 10% and it can do very well, right? Because these are high risk. However, they come with high rewards. And if you want to join the NFT space and make these gains, you can't jump in blindly. You need to do your homework. You need to prepare so that you can lower the risk. You will not eliminate the risk. That does not exist. There will always be risk, especially with NFTs, but you can lower it. Luckily, I have videos for you, everything that you need. I'm not just going to make a video and tell you guys there are gains and leave you hanging. I am going to point you in the right direction. Now, the first thing you need for NFTs to even get involved in this space is you need a wallet and you need to fund it. I have videos how to set up an Ethereum wallet with MetaMask, how to set up a wallet for Solana NFTs and for Cardano NFTs. I will say though that at the moment, all of these massive gains, it is on Ethereum. Solana NFTs are growing, Cardano NFTs are growing, but these big gains are not as likely. Doesn't mean that I don't participate. I bought some of these GMU NFTs. This was for 0.1 Solana, and now the floor price is 1.75, so a 17.5x. So it is there on Solana, it is there on Cardano, but probability-wise, you have a better chance of getting these multiples, at least right now in October of 2021 in the Ethereum ecosystem. And once you have a wallet set up, then you have to find these NFTs, preferably early if you want these big multiples. Luckily, I have all those videos as well. How to find Ethereum NFTs early, Cardano NFTs, and Solana NFTs. Of course, I have many videos on risks and caution that you have to take with NFTs because I'm super bullish on NFTs, right? But many of them will go to zero. People will lose a lot of money. So it is very important to highlight the risks of NFTs. This is something that is often overlooked, right? NFTs can make you money, guys, but not all NFTs will simply go straight up to the moon. I have everything that you guys need. I will leave a link for these videos and this playlist in the description down below. Let's make money together. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you next time.